This video is sponsored by FRAM, manufacturers of high-quality filters since 1934. Visit fram.com to learn more.
Let's talk about cabin air filters. Customers might not understand how much the cabin air filter will affect the air quality inside their vehicle, but keeping up with routine maintenance will help them to breathe easier down the road. The climate control system uses outside air to regulate the temperature inside the vehicle. The cabin air filter is responsible for filtering out any dust, debris, allergens, and other particles which may be circulated by the HVAC system. By trapping these contaminants inside the filter element, it helps to reduce the likelihood of odors forming inside the vehicle. Replacement intervals will vary, but most cabin air filters should be replaced somewhere between every 15 and 30,000 miles. When it comes time to replace a cabin air filter, here are a few handy tricks to make the job faster and easier. When removing the old filter or installing a new one, take note of the arrow on the side of the element. This arrow indicates which way the air needs to flow through the filter. It's important to ensure that this arrow is pointed in the direction of airflow inside the climate control assembly inside the dashboard. Keep a shop vacuum on hand to clean up any dirt, leaves, or other debris which may be found inside the climate control assembly. This will help to prevent that debris from falling down into the blower fan, causing a noise and a customer comeback. Try your best not to crease the new cabin air filter as you're installing it. If you're having trouble gaining access, see if you can remove or move any nearby components to get them out of your way. For example, try removing the glove box completely instead of simply swinging it downward. I'm Brian Sexton, thanks for watching.